No, you'll get to it now.
I don't feel like it.
Well, your feelings have nothing to do with it. And stop throwing that ball.
My room bothers you so much, you clean.
The hell?
Not yet.
You understand there's a little time crunch involved. Mima's got some outstanding loans I need to pay back.
I'm sorry, I have to finish my homework and then I have to help my dad.